We all know that feeling when it comes to that dreaded lesson observation.
Welcome to Diamond Education Hub's Teaching Tips, sharing teaching ideas, resources and advice with teaching professionals, helping them to improve their practice. We all know that feeling when it comes to that dreaded lesson observation, and you have that perfect worksheet that meets the learning objective for that day's lesson, but the learning will be passive and the children won't be as engaged if you use that worksheet. In this video, I will show you how to turn a passive worksheet into an active, engaging lesson. If you want to see more, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos from me. Right, on with the video. You can start your lesson with a whiteboard activity. This is where you show your pupils a number written in words and they will write the number on their whiteboards. This activity can be easily differentiated, especially if you have additional adults in your class. To offer challenge, use 2 and 3 digit numbers. You could even write sums in words for your pupils to calculate. This worksheet can be found in our private Facebook group. I will put the details in the description box below. There is so much you can do to make your lesson more active, and this tip is quick, simple and enjoyable for the class. And because whiteboards are used, you can check the children's understanding throughout the lesson. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share, and check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.